Respected Principal, Vice Principal, Mr. Madam, today's teacher, my Madam. Today we all have gathered to give it hazard to our my Madam. So whatever I wanted to speak, everything is spoken by Madam, nothing to say extra anything. And my association with her is for the past 11 years. And we both joined in the Sangadan in the year 1995 and we joined in KVM in the year 2010. And from the day 1 to 3 today I am observing her, she is very calm in nature and also the soft spoken. She never raised her voice against any teachers of Fortil today. There is a special quality about her. And what variance between me and her is we both are a little bit sensitive and she is double times than me. To be frank, anybody talks little, her eyes will be filled. It is because that she is very sincere and hardworking teacher, and as Uma Madam said, she won't be late even a single minute to the class. Is perfect in everything. You can't blame even a second. Today nobody can blame her anything entering into the class and coming to the school in 10 minutes before and attending the class. Even in online class, everything she must be 8:30. That sincerity we can observe from her. Nobody can blame her. And the one thing is the way she controlled the classes. Now we both are traveling from along with the first standard to fifth standard in 5-day class. The way she maintains the class control and discipline in a kind way is really outstanding. And whoever goes to the class, they won't feel any problem at all. And her innovative way of teaching, the way she uses the puppet, especially Hindi, really it is so innovative. And whatever I am giving English activities, children will imitate her. I won't be saying that we should do this activity by using the puppet. But children will come out with the puppet that time and Madam has taught me. So because of her, my classroom activities also will be more innovative by using the puppet. So such a nice teacher, and above all, she's one thing I can say, she's had God has blessed her with very good strength, I can say that. Then she may have some problem, even after 50, everybody will have some weakness. And whenever we come to school, sometimes we say that today, something or something. Every teacher used to tell, I have heard. And she never told me today that I am feeling this, that. Of course, he may have some problem. But once we came to school, we should ignore and we should forget all those things that we should learn only from Madam then. And another one is really she's blessed that she's having a daughter that she's all the time worrying about her. Especially some daughters of sons, they often marry something they may ignore or they may upset the parent. And each and every minute her daughter is worrying only about her. Really she's blessed. Now especially during this pandemic time, I know my mother is traveling, what should happen. So every moment she is also tense here and she is also tense here. Only because of that reason only now she's about to give the BRS. Really, Sangadan is missing a best Hindi teacher. Also, KVM is also missing the best primary Hindi teacher. And also, the 5-day children are really missing it. Under 6 months, she would have continued. The children will have been very happy. Now, children are feeling very bad, and parents are also feeling very bad. Madam, I wish you to have a happy, healthy, retired life. In this regard, I would like to sing a song for Rukmani Madam. It is not only for Rukmani Madam, it is for everyone. Please start singing. எந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தாலும் நம்மை நிறுத்தாதவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. நோயாளியாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள், நோயாளியாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள். நம் நோய்களையே சொல்லி சொல்லி நோக்கடிப்பார்கள், நம் நோய்களையே சொல்லி சொல்லி நோக்கடிப்பார்கள். இந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தால் நம்மை வெறுத்தாதவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. கடனாளியாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள், கடனாளியாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள். நம் கடமையை சொல்லி சொல்லி கலங்க வைப்பார்கள், நம் கடமையை சொல்லி சொல்லி கலங்க வைப்பார்கள். எந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தாலும் நம்மை வெறுக்காதவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. பட்டப்படிப்பு இல்லாவிட்டால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள், பட்டப்படிப்பு இல்லாவிட்டால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள். நம் வெறும் பட்டணம் என்று சொல்லி பரிகசிப்பார்கள், வெறும் பட்டணம் என்று சொல்லி பரிகசிப்பார்கள். இந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தாலும் நம்மை வெறுக்காதவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. அநாதையாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள், அநாதையாய் நாம் இருந்தால் பலர் இருப்பார்கள். அன்பு உனக்கு வேண்டுமா என்று அலைய வைப்பார்கள், அன்பு உனக்கு வேண்டுமா என்று அலைய வைப்பார்கள். இந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தாலும் நம்மை எதிர்பார்த்தவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. ரிட்டையர்டாகி வீட்டில் இருந்தால் பலர் நகைப்பார்கள், ரிட்டையர்டாகி வீட்டில் இருந்தால் பலர் நகைப்பார்கள். வீண் பேச்சு பேசி நம்மை வெறுக்க வைப்பார்கள், வீண் பேச்சு பேசி நம்மை வெறுக்க வைப்பார்கள். எந்த நிலையில் நாம் இருந்தாலும் நம்மை வெறுக்காதவர் நம் இறைவன் ஒருவரே, நம் தேவன் நடுவரே. Thank you, madam. You are having plenty of time to spend time with God, so you all pray for it. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Bala madam. Very nice song also. Now I request our CMO teacher, Usha madam ji, to talk to you. My dear colleagues, heroine of the day, Madam, good afternoon, everyone. Indeed, only one word I would like to say about Ushani Madam is conservative. Wherever you go, or school, to do all the activities in a proper manner, and not only activities, whatever work we give her. You know, one admission committee in charge, the most important person in our administration committee is one of the administration committee is our Rumani madam. Really, we are going to miss her. Past so many years, she was doing admission committee work along with other senior PGTs and Suma madam, everybody. Whatever rules in the prevailing rules which is available will be there on her fingertips. Really, madam, hats off to you for your services, whatever you have rendered to the school, to the primary section, for the children. Wonderful teacher of Hindi she is. Really, we all miss her. We know that she used to take Hindi classes very well, using the puppet show, so many other activities she used to perform. But the children, you know, they love her a lot, especially Siddhi. How she managed Siddhi, we only know. Whenever we used to go to the class, the child will be upside down, sitting upside down. His legs will be on the table and this one will be down, head will be down. But she used to manage him very well. From first standard, how a child should be taken care of, especially that type of child, she has taken care of. Really, madam, the child, your house, your family will be blessed by the parents of all these kids. Really, madam. So don't worry, everything will go on very well for you and your family. All the best to you, madam. But we miss a very good teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Nambakam. She was an asset to us. She is an asset to her. Now she will be an asset to her family. Always she say a lady will be the asset. But still she has to do a lot of work for the child. All the best to you, Rupali madam. All the best to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Now our English teacher is ready from the secondary side, Mrs. Prabha madam.
Very good afternoon to one and all present here. Principal ma'am, Vice Principal ma'am, Usha Shivaji ma'am, ex-President, sir, dear colleagues, good afternoon once again. It's an honor to speak about Rukmani ma'am. From what I understand and from what I have seen, to my understanding, though we have moved with each other very little, but I have been here in the school for 7 years, and I would, one term comes to my mind, that is Karma Yogi. I don't know if I'm using the term right, but she's so devoted to her work. She is so concerned about the welfare of the children. She gives more than 100% of time and patience. I think everyone here has spoken about her Hindi and her language abilities, but more than language or Hindi or English or Tamil, I think children need patience and love and someone to listen to them fully and be there for them all the time. I think Rukmani madam has no match in this aspect. So that is my opinion. And I've had the opportunity to travel by auto with madam once or twice, and we have shared a few notes about our parents and their health. But before I get there, I would like to say what Jayashree madam said about Rukmani madam. She said, Prabha, you're going there to speak, you have to tell this because this is there in my mind. Madam gave an example from Tamil literature. தமிழ் இலக்கியம் நான் படிச்சது கிடையாது, எனக்கு அதை பற்றி எதுவுமே தெரியாது. ஆனால் மேடம் சொன்னதை அப்படியே இங்கே சொல்றதுக்கு நான் முயற்சி பண்ணேன். மேடம் என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, கம்ப ராமாயணத்தில் கம்பர் சீதையை டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுவாராம். எப்படி அப்படின்னா, நடக்கும்போது பூமி அதிர்ந்துடுமோ, பூமிக்கு வலிக்குமோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பூ போல அடிமேல் அடி வச்சு நடப்பாங்களாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஒன் திங். அதே மாதிரி பேசும்போது ஏதாவது நம்ம காற்றை ஏதாவது டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணிடுவோமோ அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ரொம்ப அமைதியா ரொம்ப பாந்தமா பேசுவாங்களா ருக்மணி மேடம். ஐ டோல்ட் ஜெயஸ்ரீ மேடம், இதை நீங்க சொன்னாதான் நல்லா இருக்கும், நீ சொல்லுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன். பட் she said no, you go and tell me. Ma'am, that is not Jayashree madam. And I fully agree with Jayashree madam. She's Mita Bhashini, she speaks very little. She's Mridu Bhashini, she speaks very softly. And she is Subhashini, whatever she says good things. So I think before you speak good words, we need to have good thoughts. So those good thoughts are reflected in her words and her deeds. And as far as I have seen, Madam is all about duty, duty, duty. So we have shared notes about our parents' health. And Madam used to speak about her father-in-law, then her father and mother. And I speak about my father, my mother. So, what Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, cognitive difficulty, all these things were, and every word is full of care and concern for the other person, not for herself. It's always for the next person. And the child, Madam mentioned, Usha mentioned, immense patience with the child. And I think she has that immense patience for everybody in this world. And she is an epitome of what a human being should be. I wish you all the very best, ma'am. Filial duty completed. Now I think parental duty, a teacher's duty, yes, but then parental duty, most of our lives we need to do that, and we cannot always be thinking about school and school children only. So it is the time now to be there with your daughter. I wish you all the best, ma'am. As teachers have said already, Seekrame or Kutti Krishna should be there for you to play with, and grandchildren will serve and madam. I wish you a very happy, healthy, long life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have got the rest of the qualities. Now, from the physical science department, our physical education department, sorry. And the physical science and sciences are science. From the physical education department, our Amdamike madam comes here to say a few words.
Very good afternoon to all. Almost all the points all the teachers have covered, and of course Rukmani madam is very soft speaking, silent, excellent hard worker, and really I appreciate her. Always, every day I can see in the assembly, whether it is common assembly or primary side assembly, her class will be the first class to assemble. She will make them in line perfectly, girls, boys separate line, and keeping distance, everything, and she will occupy the place where they are supposed to be, there she will position. If she is getting confusion, she will verify from me and make the students accommodated perfectly, silently. Children also will listen to her and the line will be perfectly alright also. After coming over here, disturbing others, no. Like that, she was having class control, and I am very much thankful and always follow that actually. Some people they don't have teacher, or students also will come as they like, but her class always I used to see her in that manner only. She was starting off that day, and she is having a lot of patience to deal with special children, particularly CB, somebody told. And another student also, madam, boy in first standard, he was very naughty, always he used to run and O'Brien. Dealing with such children is a very hard task, and she used to tackle them, and they are pet for her. And you will not believe, I met one day during this pandemic period, CB's mother. You will not believe, 1 hour she was talking about the child, and because of Rukmani madam, my child was doing alright, and she was appreciating madam like anything. And in between he used to be aggravated, and he is missing the school atmosphere, and you show me Rukmani madam. Like that the parent was telling me, and she was sharing a lot of things, and really that children also will be missing you, madam. Madam is like a cat, but action will be like cheetah. Madam used to help in certificate committee always during cluster meet, our sports day celebration or regional meet, and when she gets the duty list, immediately she will come to me and ask what are the things I have to do. Everything she will note it down step by step. How many teams are coming, what we are supposed to write, participation certificate, merit certificate, every message she will gather, and she will plan for it, she will work with the committee, and without any mistake at the last, she will be very clear. I should not do any mistake, and I should not waste my certificate, because serial numbers also will be there. So, very meticulously she will plan for that duty, and she put a lot of effort for that, and spending the time, extra time for that, and do the work perfectly, sincerely. He used to ask all the doubts, very obediently coming and asking. I used to wonder how madam is having this much patience, and really I appreciate you, madam. Really, we will be missing you during this cluster and regional meeting. Thank you so much. And Really, we are missing such a wonderful, excellent, hardworking teacher. May God bless her family to stay happy, healthy, safe. Our best teachers. Thank you, madam. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am. Here comes the most energetic, young in mind, a teacher bubbling with activities, our none other than our Jasmine madam. She is still young in mind. Can you hear me? So I can speak. Okay. The principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, Sita ma'am, today's speaker, Rukmani ma'am, and Rukmani Kannan, Mr. Srinivas sir, and here, Sridhar. Good afternoon. Everyone said about madam. She is a combination and combination of all good qualities. Very quiet, calm, composed, sincere, punctual, beauty, bound, what not. I have no words to say, but I have observed two or three occasions because we shared primary staff room. She never talks louder, only to the person, to the point. So there is no point in getting any quarrel. Everything will go peacefully. To the point. Next one, we had shared our time during that roster. Last year, our roster was during the same time. If we call it to one, then we can complete the assignment. So, her work, I could keep into her attendance. So neatly maintained. So the work speaks volume about her quality. Next, our students from class 1. So much patience. Normally, in our home, we work always. To some extent, maybe our children we can. But class 1 students, daily we used to do that. Madam used to take him quietly, make him clean and get another dress. Such a patient, interesting. Another one, we used to have our special classes in the evening after school hours, after 2:40, between 3 to 4. Sometimes she used to sit even after 4 o'clock with the boy. We asked, why not you are waiting? His parents have not reached so far. So being class 1 teacher is not so easy, taking care of the students physically, emotionally, and we have to counsel the parents also sometimes. So, such an amount of patience she has. Another thing, we used to have competitions in Hindi week, Hindi fortnight, and Hindi month celebration. So that time she spoke about Vasudeva Kudumbakam. Hope you remember about the family, how the lady's part is important in the family, growth, so everything. So her aim is to bring up her family in all the ways to the best position. So we wish you to have a peaceful, healthy retirement life. God's power has no limit.
So let God have this limitless power to get you whatever you wanted in the form of little Kannan in your life. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other person wants to say a few words? Yes. Now I request our principal ma'am, DP ma'am and Isha madam to felicitate her.
If winter comes, can spring be far behind? So I want to add on with a beautiful English quote about this beautiful lady. She spoke about Kampa-Ramayana and Sita. So I think it's our lady Charlotte. She walks in beauty. They describe the person. She floats. She doesn't walk. It looks as though she floats. And the current Periyamar and such a beautiful, gentle lady. So that's the description that Percy Bysshe Shelley paints of this lady. And she fits the description to the bill. Ritu-Bhashi, Subhashini, what beautiful words she used, no? And everything so apt for this lady here, the chief guest of today. Ritu-Bhashi, Subhashini is always there. You can be sweet, speak sweetly, you can be soft spoken, but the mind also has to be that good. You know, I have seen that goodness in her, where it's not only Sibi, it's one naughty fellow, one grown naughty fellow to keep him under control. No? With one word, very gently she patted him and he said quietly, Akshara Nair, the child has problems in sitting, the spine is not in its place. Major problem. I've never seen her get vexed and always smiling at those children, always gently. So there is no gentleness and goodness and kindness will give you such a personality. There are no thorns anywhere because all around for the poorest of the poor and for people those who need help, she was always there. It was not about gentleness and kindness alone. Her classrooms were complete in all senses of the word. There was a lesson called Chitti Ka Safar. Okay, Chitti Ka Safar is you tell the children how a letter travels. You put it in a post box. Somebody writes a letter, put it in a post box. It goes to the post office. It gets sorted. Then it is sent. Then postman delivers. Our madam, my God, what kind of hard work and imagination. She got hold of a parent who works in the post office and they shot the text. Those who want to see it, it is in our Google Drive. Okay. She got a parent to actually shoot what is happening in the post office. The entire sequence of events was, so it's a real life learning for children, isn't it? The lady talks of Aranju post, Pallava post office, I'm sorry. And how, so she's connecting learning real life experiences. All that she does in classroom is planned so beautifully well, so meaningful. And I've never seen her admission work at odd hours. We have disturbed her so many times. And sir has been so kind. And for the RT 5 kilometer radius, sir has worked with her and wherever we were in doubt, we would call up ma'am and say, where did you look up? She would say, Purush, I'll ask her and let you know. And Paka, there would be no doubt regarding the radial distance that she is written. The lady had work ethos which were top class, and I take credit, I pat myself on the back for one thing. 1 year I was able to hold her from giving her VRS. Every time she came, I would monitor her, I would spot speak her, I would terrorize her, do all the things in the world and send her back. So 1 year, 1.5 years, I was able to, but then as I said, such a beautiful girl, Engathavam said to me, the girl who really cares for the mother. She very far away in the years, she was so concerned about her mother, and madam here said, I need to go now, you can't hold me any longer. I got my 3 days will not work now. So before this tender flower, cactus had to be paid, I had to say so. And finally she would order the others. She will be remembered for her contribution to Hindi. Any, what is that called, Madam Himani report, she and Suma Madam, any translation, she worked her way through that. Admission committee, my God, through and through, she worked so beautifully well. Primary activity-based teaching, wonderful, marvelous. As a human being, so gentle, so kind. Her spiritual connection with Lord Krishna. See, they say, good people began with what Engathavam said to me, and everyone spoke of Devi Krishna, isn't it? Janmashtami, and she's retiring the next day. I'm sure Devi Krishna is waiting to come to your arms, to your lap. Next year, please do before Devi Krishna when he comes to your house. I'm sure she'll be priceless. All our good deeds come back to us, and especially for those who are in reflexively, who do not know what Akshara Nair or Om or oh right, my God, it was a little good. I would run to the gate, bite the watchman. None of us would be able to catch him, and madam would come and whisper something. Maria, I would think necessary. And like the pipe petal that was before I come back. So that is the powerful teacher, beautiful teacher, and madam, we will miss you. I still regret that I have not been able to get to you. Another 2 years of your service, and all along the concerns of the family, the post, whoever she speaks of, sir, daughter, we're privileged to have such wonderful partners, sir, and please do take care, God bless your family, and once again, a wonderful teacher whom we all will miss. Stay safe and thank you God bless.
मीठी बातें बोलना चाहिए और प्रिंसिपल मैडम हमेशा सबसे मीठी बातें बोलती हैं और when she talks to the children I observed कन्ना இது எழுது कन्ना இது பண்றியா कन्ना இது spelling எழுதுறியா she was not angry. I did not see with the children. She appreciates each and every child in my class. First time she used to visit assembly program. All the assembly programs, even now I have the videos of this madam. I will go to that whenever I want. She used to appreciate lot of programs, assembly programs. I used to stand in advance. I used to travel to Meenakshi madam, when is my date? As soon as I get my date, I used to tell my children, you have to do it, you have to do what. So that pre-planning will take place in my own activities. I think this is not pre-planned. We are alone is not pre-planned. It is necessity is the mother of invention. So I have to go for my daughter's sake. So only I am leaving my class in the middle. 50 years children they are writing outside. And next I am coming to the next quotation. Love is patience and love is kind. Devi madam is always soft-spoken and she is apt to the word kind. But your kindness I cannot forget madam in all aspects. And next is Harvard Condavan in primary. For all the primary teachers, she is Harvard Condavan, Mrs. Usha Shivaji madam. We are working together from 2010 and we worked together for a long time. And she took part in all my good things and as well as during my mother's ceremony. She came and along with my husband. Thank you madam for everything what you have done to me so far. And you have motivated me. Last year I was in tears when my daughter called how to go. I don't know. Madam told, no, don't worry. You take one bottle, 2 bottles, you can reach safely. So that alone gave motivation for me. And now also she
told that yes, family is very important. Of course, I am missing you, but family is very important. So she told me, and she agreed with the others. And next is all the Newtons and Darwin theory and all. I remember Newton's third law, and as I am physics student, but I didn't have a touch in physics. After coming to theory, I was not teaching theory. But before that, I took physics and maths. And all of a sudden, I came down from 8th class to 1st class. And I don't know, first inspection I had, I was absolutely a good remark from Mrs. Bhagyalakshmi madam. Within 1 week, the inspection came and I did not know. I thought lecture method is enough and few charts are enough. So I came to know that it is not enough. For each and every child, I had to prepare something. So during the next inspection, some maths class I was given. And for each and every child, I prepared flashcards and written, and the inspection team appreciated me. So this is stages. I came to know that this is stages. And Edutharivithavan Vivekanaman. I think you can all guess. Edutharivithavan Vivekanaman. All the primary teachers. இது எழுது கண்ணா இது பண்றியா கண்ணா இது ஸ்பெல்லிங் எழுதுறியா she was not angry. I did not see the children. She appreciates each and every child in my class. First man, she used to visit assembly program. About assembly programs, even now I have the videos of this madam. I will go to that whenever I want. She used to appreciate lot of programs, assembly programs. I used to stand in advance. I used to travel to Meenakshi madam, when is my day? As soon as I get my date, I used to tell my children, you have to do it, you have to do what. So that pre-planning will take place in my online activities. I think this is not pre-planned. DRS alone is not pre-planned. It is necessity is the mother of invention. So I have to go for my daughter's sake. So only I am leading my class in the middle. 58 children, they are writing outside. And next, I am coming to the next quotation. Love is patience and love is kind. Preeti madam is always soft-spoken and she is apt to the word kind. The word kindness I cannot forget madam in all aspects. And next is Harvard Kondavan in primary. For all the primary teachers, she is Harvard Kondavan, Mrs. Usha Shivaji madam. We are working together for 2010 and we worked together for a long time. And she took part in all my good things and as well as during my mother's ceremony. She came and along with my husband. Thank you madam for everything what you have done to me so far. And you have motivated me. Last year I was in PS when my daughter called how to go. I don't know. Madam told, no, don't worry. You take one bottle, 2 bottles, you can reach safely. So that alone gave motivation for me. And now also she told that yes, family is very important. Of course, I am missing you, but family is very important. So she told me, and she agreed with the others. And next is all the Newtons and Darwin theory and all. I remember Newton's third law. And as I am physics student, but I didn't have a touch in physics. After coming to theory, I was not teaching theory. But before that, I took physics and maths. And all of a sudden, I came down from 8th class to 1st class. And I don't know, first inspection I had, I was absolutely a good remark from Mrs. Bhagyalakshmi madam. Within 1 week, the inspection came and I did not know. I thought lecture method is enough and few charts are enough. So I came to know that it is not enough. For each and every child, I had to prepare something. So during the next inspection, some maths class I was given. And for each and every child, I prepared flashcards and written, and the inspection team appreciated me. So this is stages. I came to know that this is stages. And Edutharivithavan Vivekanaman. I think you can all guess. Edutharivithavan Vivekanaman. All the primary teachers. From Annaga, I was class 1A is the most favorite class. One is study because she used to tell, I won't give you always your permanent only teacher. And that I was permanent only teacher, 1B, 1C, 1B, we were permanent. Never, when come roundabout way. She used to come to my house when I joined. So thank you, Uma Madam, for arranging this function in advance success, and thank you all my friends that I'm teaching staff, I'm not teaching staff, sub-staff, and all the Explora people. I think I have covered everyone. Thank you, Kumari Singh sir, for that pension papers that Aruna and I have given. I thank libraries sir also. I used to travel from US, income tax calculation. The last year I traveled to, he did all the things whatever he wanted. And each and everyone I want to specify the name like that. And Suma Madam and my associations along, from 2010 I was teacher. We used to sit near the lobby, like a leacock at the back or some story I read in English long back. I was like a leacock at the back, but Suma Madam, with her motivation I changed after that. Thank you, Suma Madam. We were together working in the department as well as admission department. And thank you for very welcome, Madam, for the admission committee. You have given me suggestions and all the newcomers, best wishes. And thank you, Cecilia Madam, for arranging the life and other things today. I thank each and every one of you. Thank you, Sandra, for that. Thank you.